When I was a young mom, I wanted to come up with a recipe that kind of brought together that family, homey feel, but also added a little bit of my own flair. Hey there, my name is Angela Sackett. I'm a wife and mom of 5 plus 2 daughters-in-law, and I live on the Jersey Shore. You can find more of my recipes here on Allrecipes under the username The Super Hot Mama, or you can find me blogging at everydaywelcome.com. I grew up in a family with grandparents who loved to cook. I had a grandma who was really into gourmet recipes and a grandpa who was famous for his garbanzo bean soup, and another grandma who really loved Southern cooking. So she would make us big breakfasts and pot roasts and hams. My husband loves Mexican food, anything with Southwestern flavors. So what I decided to do was take the classic shepherd's pie, replace the white potatoes with sweet potatoes, and then add some Southwestern flavors to it. And we love the dish so much that we've been making it probably over 15 years and sharing it with friends. A couple of tips for you if you're gonna make the shepherd's pie. First of all, I love that this recipe can easily be doubled and either save it for another night later in the week or gift it to a friend, maybe someone with a new baby or someone who isn't feeling well. The other thing you can do that's super easy is make the sweet potatoes in the pressure cooker or the Instant Pot. It makes them go really fast. You can have those cooking while you're working on the rest of the dish, and they come out super creamy that way. So give that recipe a try also. Heat olive oil in a large oven-safe skillet over medium-high heat. Cook until the ground turkey is browned, which takes about 5 minutes. Reduce the heat to medium. Stir in the onion, bell pepper, garlic, salt, pepper, oregano, cumin, ancho chili powder, and the cinnamon. Cook, stirring occasionally until the onion and peppers have softened, which takes about 5 minutes. Stir in the tomatoes and pumpkin and top with mashed sweet potatoes. Or you can also freeze this really easily and save it for another night. So what I do is I will make it all the way up to the point where you top it with the sweet potatoes, don't bake it, wrap it really tightly, put it in the freezer, and then the night before you want to serve it, just put it in the fridge overnight to let it thaw. Maybe add a few extra minutes of cooking time since you'll be starting with it cold. I love to bring people to our table because I feel like when people come into your home, they share a meal with you, you can have real life conversations, and maybe I'm dreaming big, but I actually kind of think that we have the opportunity to change the world right at our kitchen tables.